Hi, my name is Yunita Hendarti Musidi.
Hi, my name is Dita Aulia Ibrahim.
Hi, my name is Sry Fazria Supu.
Hi, my name is Elvianti Dg Hasan.
I will explain about cough definition. Coughing is a reflex action to clear the throat of mucus or irritation from foreign objects. However, some health conditions can cause a person to cough more frequently. Most symptoms disappear or at least improve significantly within 2 weeks. However, some last less than 3 weeks and are called acute coughs. If the cough lasts between 3 and 8 weeks and improves by the end of this period, it is called a subacute cough. A cough that persists for more than 8 weeks is called chronic cough.
The next is cough prevention. First, avoid cigarette smoke and the other pollutants. There are many toxic chemicals in a cigarette that can damage the body's organs, especially the lungs. In addition, other pollutants such as trash burning smoke, car exhaust, and other types of smoke can also cause coughing. Second, when eating fried foods, pay attention to the quality of the cooking oil, as poor quality can cause a very severe cough.
This condition can be caused by a number of conditions, both temporary and permanent. Here are some of the causes. Number 1. Clearing the throat, calling in the stand way to clear the throat. When the airways are blocked by mucus or foreign particle signs and smoke or dust. Calling is the reflex response that attempts to clear the particle and make breath ease. Normally, this type of calls in reality infrequent, but the intensity increases with exposure to irritants such as smoke. Number 2. Virus and bacteria. The most common cause is the respiratory infection, just as cold or the flu. Respiratory infections are usually caused by virus and can last from a few days to a week. Infection caused by the flu can take longer to heal and sometimes require antibiotics. Number 3. Cigarette smoking. Smoking is common cause. A cough caused by smoking is almost always a scratch call with a characteristic sound.
Next, here are some factors that can increase a person's risk of developing a cough. 1. Inhalation of substance that irritate the airways. 2. Working in a place with high pollution. 3. Having allergies. 4. Smoking. Next is how to treat cough, which is as follows. 1. Drink honey tea. 2. Drink ginger steeping water. 3. Drink plenty of water. 4. Vaporization therapy. 5. Take marshmallow root. 6. Gargle with salt water solution. 7. Consume pineapple.